This is up for the one time.
Good morning, Knights. It's time to stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Knights. It is Friday, March 11th. I'm Barbados Bobbert.
And I'm Jonah.
The Bulletin is on. Slay!
It's Friday.
Last day of Spirit Week. What was your favorite theme?
Definitely alternative pink, because pink's my favorite color.
My favorite color is purple.
Nice.
And my all-time favorite day of the week this week was Sports Day. I slayed that day.
Mask will be required during the pep assembly today, so wear your mask, please. Here's a reminder of where the classes will be sitting. Freshmen and sophomores are on the right side of the gym as you enter. Juniors and seniors are on the left side. See this graphic to find your section. And remember to stay behind the black line so your class does not get disqualified.
It is not too late to join your grades Rally for College Google Classroom to keep up to date with events and activities that will support your college and career going process, including an upcoming college tour field trip. Use your grades Google Classroom code that is on screen now to join. After you join, come to room 231 during passing period or lunch for a prize.
Elections for next year's class council and ASB officers are right around the corner. Pick up your election packet by the activities window or from your class Google Classroom. Make sure to complete the packet and find out what is needed for your campaign speech. ASB executive packets are due on the 13th and class council packets are due on the 20th. For more information, contact Mademoiselle Erickson by following this QR code.
The spring play opens tonight at 7 and runs tomorrow and Sunday. I am really excited for that one. Come to the Performing Arts Center Friday and Saturday evening at 7 o'clock and Sunday afternoon at 2 o'clock. To see the show, tickets are sold at the door. Cash or check only. General admission is $8 and tickets for kids under 12, senior citizens, and students with ASB cards will be $5. And there will be an arts and ceramic student pop-up art shows in the commons to enjoy as well.
Principal Nichols has a message about the mask mandate.
Hello, Knights. As many of you know, on Monday, the statewide mask mandate goes away. However, this doesn't mean masks are going away. Many people still choose to wear masks for personal and safety reasons. And I hope we can use a bit of common courtesy around this matter. I know for me, common courtesy means that I'll choose to wear my mask when another person comes up to me with a mask on. The only thing I would ask is that we respect others' choices to wear or not wear a mask. I know for many, the fact that we can see each other's smiling faces means a lot, but we also want to respect those who choose to continue to wear their masks. We've come a long way through this pandemic, and I believe we are starting to see the light at the end of the tunnel. I'm very proud of you, Knights. Have a great day, and go Knights.
Okay, Monday will be a new day for all of us, with or without a mask.
There you have it, you guys. Another bulletin done and slayed.
Happy Friday. Go Knights.
I'm getting $15 for this.